The point of this project is to educate people about our relationship with dams and salmon. I chose a color scheme with shades of yellow, green, and blue. Blue was the first obvious choice for me because it is associated with stability. I used different shades of blue for the graph that details survival rates of salmon crossing dams with different techniques. I used yellow for the background where I was detailing some of the pros of dams. This made sense to me because dams generate energy, and yellow is a color that is associated with energy. Lastly, the green color was selected because not only is it just a combination of yellow and blue, but also it is symbolic of the environment and growth, both of which I believe are associated closely with dams. I used a grid technique to organize my infographic, shaded with the different colors from my color scheme. I used proximity in my organization as well, placing the pros and cons next to each other because they are related, also placing the $ tag next to where I'm talking about how building dams is expensive, also placing the flower plugin icon next to where I'm talking about how dams are green, flexible, and safe. My favorite use of symbolism in this particular infographic is in the graph detailing the survival rates of salmon. Along with the blue color scheme, I have put an actual picture of a cartoon salmon in each one of the bars, cutting off the top of the salmon where the bar graph ends to symbolize that some salmon do not make it through the dam. I also placed these triangle symbols at the bottom of each one of these to tie together the design. I also played around with color saturation in different parts of the infographic. A good example is here, where I have dams and 100 million in a dark green font with the other letters being in white. The reason being that dams and 100 million are what I wanted the eye to draw to first. The rest of the information is less important, but the 100 million is what I want to draw the eye to. I believe that this piece effectively communicates basic information about dams in a way that is both pleasing to the eye and easily understandable. Thank you for your time. I will now open the floor for questions.